production workshop of Guangdong Budaiwang, non-woven bag, making machines operate at full speed. This modern intelligent manufacturing base is redefining the production model of non-woven bags with its efficient and steady production pace. Each machine is connected to an automatic packaging line at the rear, enabling a fully automated production process from roller feeding and bag forming to finished product packaging. The production process is equipped with visual inspection and rejection functions that automatically remove defective product. After forming, the non-woven bags are automatically bundled, boxed, and sealed through an intelligent conveying system. On the conveyor belt, finished bags flow in an orderly manner. In the workshop, large teams of sorting workers are no longer seen. Thanks to this intelligent production line, processes that once required dozens of workers to work together can now be completed with just one fine team, 2 technicians. The high level of automation saves far more than just labor costs. It also cuts management expenses and production losses. As intelligent manufacturing replaces extensive production, the non-woven bag industry is entering a new era of transformation and upgrading. Unua Technology empowers Guangdong Budaiwang with complete intelligent production solutions, jointly driving packaging manufacturing toward a new stage of high-efficiency intelligent manufacturing.